Okay, we're back again with another tutorial, y'all, and this time we are making cute little hair bows, okay, using 2 hair ties, and that is all. So you don't have to go out, try to break the bank to get cute little hair ties. You can do it with things you already have at home, okay? So first we're going to start with our 2 hair ties. We're going to pull one so we can stretch it out, flatten it out, okay? Then we're going to slide this burgundy hair tie through the blue one. And then we're just going to do one tie. We're going to do one tie of the knot. And then you're going to flatten it out. You could go in after tying it and burn the edges so it can stay flat. But I couldn't find my lighter at the moment. So we're just going to leave it like that. And look at that. Look how fast and cute that was. And if y'all don't know me by now, hello and welcome, beautiful souls. I am beyond thrilled to have you join me and thousands of others on this beautiful journey, hair journey, growth journey, learning journey, and transformation journey. My name is Kayla, and I am the owner of Knotless K, which is a hair accessories brand. I started in 2020. I didn't get started with YouTube for real until 2022, y'all, 2023. So don't worry. Anytime you start, just stay consistent at it. I really needed a change, y'all. I wanted to get out of my regular 9 to 5 life and the hustle and bustle of things. I had a son, and I wanted to spend time with family and create memories. And then I also got into manifestation, y'all. Do y'all know what manifestation is? Because I never really knew thoroughly, but y'all, it has changed my life completely. When I first started the journey, I didn't know what I was doing. All I knew was that I was desperate for a change. I had no one to ask for help, and I had to use my intuition. Y'all, my life has been like a movie. You seen that Taken movie? Like, go back and see my story of who I had a baby with, y'all, because it's been a wild ride, and I'm still here, y'all. I'm still here rocking with y'all, and I would love to share my experiences through manifestation and just trusting my intuition with y'all. So here's the cute little bows. You can also do it with a different type of hair tie if you like, and I hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe.